Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe, like and share, all of that. And below the video you'll find many links. It says get my intraday swing setup. So if you want to copy my signals, you can check out the first link below. Check out the pro firm and the brokers here and join my free Telegram for sure. It's free, so go and join Telegram as well to stay updated. Do all of that. And coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. So we are on Monday, Tuesday. What day? This is Tuesday, okay? So this is Tuesday, and when I'm recording the video, it's Tuesday weekly. It's running, so it doesn't really make sense. Coming back to daily time frame. Yesterday, if you go and see my yesterday's video, I said if the candle will break above this high, that's your bullish breakout confirmation. And more likely this candle which is running, we still have 5 hours to go when I'm recording the video, okay, on 20th of January. So we still have 5 hours to go. But if the candle closes above my black line here, that is the confirmation of the bullish breakout, and I think the candle will remain like this. And 4 hour is, that's where your entry comes from, not where. Don't be a stupid moron like me, okay? You have to wait for the pullback. Rejection will come from the EMA. That's your long entry, okay? So look for longs in a Euro USD after the pullback. Pullback will happen. Don't enter, okay? Pullback, then you go long, okay? If you want precise entry exit with TP, then check out the first link, swing setups. Join free Telegram, subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.